Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to change a drive letter in Windows 11 operating system by the very simple way. First of all, just go to the start and type create and format hard disk partition. Create and format hard disk partition. Click on that. It's open disk management. In disk management, we can see our all hard disks. I have three hard disks, disk number 0, 1 and 2 and many drives. So I want to change my D drive to other later. So just select the D drive at here or right click on here or right click on here. Okay, now just I select the D drive and right click on it and change drivers letter and path. Click on that. Here we want to D drive to change, then select this change. Here just click on the D drive at here and just select any other letter. Suppose I want to R, my D drive become a R now. So click on the OK and one message is appear. A warning message. Click on this warning message. Don't worry about the data. Data is not format or anything. Okay. Now just go to this PC. Here is our DR drive. Double click in and our all data is the same. So close this. So guys, this is the simplest way to change a drive letter in Windows 11 operating system by the very simple way. So guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.